Nababo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Feranando Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Feranando Pampanga and we were invited to come and check out WOW MilkTea Bar. And look at this sign, guys. Buy one, take one for only 98 pesos. Buy one, take one. So that's almost less than 50 pesos. So if you want to know more about this, samahan nyo ako. Papasok na tayo. Milk teas are ready. The guys are ready. So samahan nyo ako. Let's go!
I'm Erwin Galang. I am CEO of WOW MagNegosyo. And under WOW MagNegosyo, we have two brands, which is WOW Pandesal. And today I'm very excited to talk about our newest brand, which is WOW MilkTea. As of now, we have 6 branches. No? It started from Mexico, Sitio Paroba. Then we have Lagundi in Greenville. This one is where we are right now. We are at Fernando Pampanga. 2 more we have in Cebitanan, Mexico. And as far as Isabela, there is someone who have trusted the brand. And it's also open. And we're 6 no, proudly. The real inspiration of this is we're in the pandemic. No? And the whole company started in August, but particularly for milk tea started just this April. Talagang inspiration or yung passion that we drive on this is really tumulong. Aside from our current employees, we also provide opportunities for our franchise partners. Naghahanap po ng alternative na wala ng trabaho, OFW, dito po, no? They can do the business with us. WOW MilkTea Bar, it goes by the name. What makes it really wow? Aside from the authentic, satisfying milk tea that we offer to our patrons in the community at our price point po, no? Our taste, our packaging, our cups, our ambience, our bar concept. But not only that, with all of those, we also introduce our buy one, take one. No? And we talk about buy one, take one, ng mga Pinoy, they love yung sulit po. No? And that's what they are expected or that they are enjoying here at WOW MilkTea Bar.
Hello sa mga viewers ng Feranando Pampanga. My name is Jude Paulo Gognot. Tubong Pamampangan ko pero I graduated from the University of the Philippines, Diliman, with a bachelor's degree in business economics, summa cum laude. I'm the owner of this branch, WOW MilkTea Bar Palengke. I just saw the brand growing and growing, so I was interested and I did my own assignment. First, I bought my own milk tea and it was really good. So I talked to him if it's available for franchise, and then ayun, that's where it all came to where we are right now. My first milk tea was my all-time favorite Oreo Delight. Tapos, he recommended yung Dynamite, the bestseller, is also good. Until I tried all of the flavors and wala kang tatapon. As in, it's really good, lahat. As in, down to the classic, up to the Dynamite. Why did I trust WOW MilkTea? Because of the owner, as I mentioned a while ago. And secondly, because of the brand itself. No? In fact, when you talk about unique selling point, you have one. But WOW MilkTea in itself is a unique selling point. Because the price itself is affordable. It's not just affordable, it's sulit from the term itself, no? So, ibig sabihin, the taste is more than the price, right? And at the same time, it's a franchise business. Meron na siyang system, no? It's hard kasi when you're working full-time to establish everything from ground up, eh. But now, with the help of WOW MilkTea or WOW MagNegosyo, no? Everything is established.
When you really taste it from our bestseller, Oreo Delight, Okinawa, Winter Melon, and Chocolate Classic, but also our own signature milk tea, we call it Dynamite. So far, it's our bestseller. It's a combination of Graham and chocolate foam. Plus, the perna, meron pang cheesy pa.
Yes.
The opening day was really, of course, as a business owner, it was stressful, no? Because you're expecting a lot of people to come in, ganyan. But in terms of looking at the customers, no one left unhappy. In fact, to tell you frankly, during my grand opening, nawalan ng kuryente for like 2 hours. And yet, it was even a good selling point. Why? Because a lot of people came here to buy the milk tea. The word spreads fast with people. The best marketing tool pa rin is to spread the word from people. So, yun. Doon nabuhay yung brand namin from day one until now.
Yeah. Would you recommend this to your friends or to someone who is interested to start the business the same?
Definitely, no, not only 100 but 101%. Number one, when you go into business, kasi I'm 23 years old pa lang, no, it's hard to establish. So, franchise is one way to go. Secondly, the brand itself is good. The owner is really authentic. When I say authentic, lahat, no? Sasabihin niya sa'yo, clear, transparent. That's what we look for business partners, di ba? For those who out there who wants to really try to go to business, hindi na mag-recommend ng iba pa. You go with WOW MagNegosyo. From the owner to the staffs, everything is okay, and the experience, the growth that you can actually get from building your business is really worth it. More than beyond the value of your money.
Gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat sa mga nagtiwala po sa amin as franchise partners at really no yung pong mga tumangkilik at nung mga napawaw po dito sa WOW MilkTea Bar. At like to invite your sikat na sikat tong We're in Pampanga, yung mga viewers mo sa Facebook, sa YouTube, across social media, I'd like to invite them to taste our product. And likewise, if you're looking for an opportunity for business, providing employment, creating opportunities in our community, as a company, WOW MagNegosyo, you can check our WOW MilkTea Bar at as low as 199,000. You can enjoy a whole package with us. Wala pong renewal, wala pong royalty, just one-time payment of franchise fee.
So imagine guys, 2 premium cups ng milk tea for only 189 pesos. Kaya mapapawaw ka talaga. No wonder people are wowed. No. So again guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested to do business with WOW MilkTea Bar, make sure to contact the numbers we're going to be providing below and join the team. Siguro, this could be your, kumbaga sa inyo, another side hustle or a really full-time business. Narinig naman natin yung testimonial natin kanina with the owner of this branch now. Very lucrative. So make sure to contact them. At the end of the day, if you just wanna enjoy a milk tea that is sulit and at the same time, grabe yung experience niya, buy one take one milk teas, make sure to check out WOW MilkTea Bar. So thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out guys. Stay safe.